Hey guys, it's Rhonda. I just want to test the volume here, see if I can hear it. Hello? Hello? Hey guys, it's Rhonda. I just want to test. Okay, I'll edit that part out. So, hey, it's Rhonda. Good to see you guys coming to you here from sunny Buffalo, New York today. It's a beautiful day, but I wanted to take a moment to show you a couple things because we got access to our software from my software business, which I have been promoting lately. And I started downloading some of these and utilizing some of them. And I'm super excited. So I just wanted to show you a couple things. Now, so here, this is my landing page here you're going to see, and this is my software business. And so this would be my landing page when you would come here. Just want to show you a little quick, just in case you haven't seen this before. So this is, you let our AI success coach pay you $200 over and over by simply sharing a phone number. So when you join my software business, you get your own unique phone number, plus you get your own landing page like this that you'll be able to share with people. The phone number is fantastic because it puts people into that automated system. They can call or text and the AI bot takes over for you. Okay, now that is great. You can become a reseller for $50. And as a reseller, you get to resell all of the programs that are available for 100% commissions, which is $200. They are paid directly to you. Okay, I'm not going to go into all the details on this because I really want to show you some of the things that are included and the things that I started using that I think are extremely valuable for any marketers. So when you become a partner with my software business, you also get access to all this software. So it's an incredible value, and it's a huge time saver for marketers. So if you're the type of person that really wants to have time freedom, this is a great way to automate your business. And I'm just going to show you two of the things that I started using, two of these programs that I started setting up to help me save time and automate my business on Facebook. Okay, so when you come to my landing page, there's this approximately 10-minute video. It's going to go through a whole bunch of things. I will put the link below this video for you so you can go see it. I'll also put the phone number. So if you want to call or text and see how the AI bot works, you can call or text that number. Okay, so now this comes into the software package. So like I said, we are starting off with 12 softwares. Okay, you're going to get access to these immediately when you join for only $200. Once again, that's a one-time fee. Okay, so one-time fee is going to get you access. Now, they will be adding more software programs in the future. When they add these, you will also get access to those. You will not be charged an additional amount of money. Okay, we do have some premium software that they just announced maybe about a week and a half ago or so. Those are optional if you want to get into those, okay, that are additional costs. I just want to be completely upfront with you. However, I'm not a part of that. I'm not going to be a part of that. I don't plan on it at this time. And because there's so much value here in my software business. So like I said, you get access to all of this for that one-time payment of $200. If you want to be a reseller, you will get that $200 paid to you from anybody who joins, okay? So two of the things that I've just started using and love, I am going to highlight today. So the first is this post profits. Okay, so let's just read what it says. So it says the most powerful automated Facebook marketing tool on the planet Earth for your personal profile. So this is for your personal profile. And this is a great way to make sales and get leads automatically. So you are going to use this on one of your sales posts or your curiosity posts that you put out there. And what you're going to do is you're going to go in there, you're going to set it up, you're going to set it up with your post, and say at the bottom of your post, you put comment info for more information. So you're going to program all of this into this program. It's very simple, and there are step-by-step instructional videos to help you get started. So when somebody comments info on your post, this is going to automatically send them a message. And you're going to program in what do you want? You want it to say? It could say, hey, Rhonda, thanks for commenting on my post. I see that you'd like some more information. Here's the information. Get back to me. You're going to put your link in there. You program that in there also. Then you can always put, don't feel free to reach out if you have any questions. So it's going to send them the link, send them a personalized message for you that you are going to program into this software. It's a huge time saver for marketers on your personal profile. You don't have to keep going back to those curiosity posts, making sure, that people didn't comment and you miss them. I know that's happened to me personally in the back. All of a sudden, a week later, I see I didn't answer somebody. And of course, I feel really bad. Like I'd like to get back to people right away. So that's a great time saver, a great way to automate your business. So I'm absolutely loving this software. The other software that I started using is the birthday wisher. If you've been following me at all, I love to be personal on social media. I believe truly in growing your know, like, and trust factor because people want to do business with people. They don't want to do business with people they don't know, right? So you want to grow your, personal brand, your know, like, and trust factor so that people want to do business with you, or maybe they don't. Maybe you're not their cup of tea, but you're going to have your target market that you have been attracting. And so you want to build up those relationships. A great way to build those relationships is with the birthday wisher. And I absolutely love this birthday wisher. There is a instructional video also. So it tells you step by step how to set this software up on your computer. And you can either do posts, you can send them messages, or you can do both. You can do a post and a message. And you're going to program in a variety of posts and messages so that you're not sending out the same one. You can personalize it with their names if you'd like to, with images. All this is in the training. It's very simple to set up. I got mine set up very simply, very quickly, just by watching that training video and ready to go. So these are just 2 of the 12 softwares that I have started using. This is just such a great value. As you can see, the other, these are some of the other softwares that are available in this 12 package. So like I said, if you want to get started or you want to see how this AI bot works, just here's my number. You can call or text 239-558-1975, or just check the link below this video if you want to come right to this page and check things out yourself. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my software business.